Let's start with the friction hinges. First, the question is that why we require ventilation and why we require friction hinges in our windows. Things to the friction hinges and the ventilations are the required in windows. So why we require ventilation and what is the purpose for that? Here is some points to help reduce the heat building up within the structure, uh, to reduce the warmness and the heat which is generated within the buildings. And when windows are is the option to reduce that heat and to make the building temperature down. The next is improve the occupant sense of well-being. And third is health and safety, remove of odors, gases and smoke, reduce the energy consumption and heat prevent condensation. So these are few points for the why we require ventilation in the building. So here is some procedure, the different types of ventilation. Natural ventilation, when air movements through the external pressure. Natural ventilations, when you are if one opening is there and the warm air will go outside and the cold air will come inside, that is the due to external pressure it will come. So that is the natural ventilation. Mechanical ventilation, movements of heated or cooled air, means due to some our mechanical process you will throw the cold gases in the box and heat up gases will be go out. And air conditioning, humidity and temperature control, due to AC and all you can control the temperature in the room and the heat will be reduced. Mixed mode, combination of natural and the mechanical ventilation condition. Natural and the mechanical ventilation is air that you can give some openings, and here you can use some mechanical operation for the natural ventilation. So that is the combinations of natural and mechanical ventilation. Why does natural ventilation give us? Environmental sustainability, improve the working environment, 10 to 15 lower capital cost, lower energy cost throughout the building life, night cooling potentials. Uh, First we can see that here we can see one room, and due to external atmosphere the room will be heated through the sunlight. Just because of that the warm air will be produced in this room. And how this warm air, when you open these windows or you when you will provide this opening, this warm air will go out and the cold air will take the place of warm air, because the cold air is heavy in weight and the warm air is lighter in weight. So it will heat up and go outside and the cool air will take the place. So due to this is environmental will sustain. Improve the working environment, due to the lower temperature you it will work. You can get the reduced temperature and survival is very easy. And 10 to 15% lower capital cost. It is the reduce, or it is the lower in the capital cost and lower energy cost throughout the building life. So due to this natural ventilation, lower energy, this is the cheapest way to get the ventilation. And night cooling potential, in the night you can, when you open this window, the whole room will be cooled by the surrounding or by the atmosphere. Opening solution for the natural ventilations. These are the opening solution for the natural ventilation. You can give the openings in the upper side at the roof, or why are opening sashes important? Why we require these sashes will be open in the different manners. A natural ventilation necessity. When we open the sash, we can get the natural ventilation, means air, lights, and the others natural gases we can take from the outside, and allow a choices of aesthetic. Different types of windows, and like sliding windows, casement windows, top hung windows, side hung windows, different types of windows give the looks very nice. As per your aesthetic values, or as per your requirements, you can give the openings. Provide smoke evacuation solutions. If it is in the hotel kind of buildings, or in the area of kitchens, so there is a smoke quantity is too much high, there you can provide the sashes in the window. When you open this sashes, you will get the relief, because the smoke and all the gases will go out from the this part, and the temperature of the room will be decreased. Can help the preserve reflectivity of facade. Due to the glass, you can get the sunlight inside the room, and the vision and all the will be cleared because of glass and facade. So aesthetic, at the point of aesthetic view, and due to sunlight, it's a very good option in the openings. In place of uh, give a simple side hung window, there is so many options you can give, and you can get the best ventilation.